Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn choose the right options from the enrichment activity 1, the magic of smart's efforts. So, children, all of you open your textbook. Open smart's effort enrichment activity 1. Today we are going to do choose the right options to complete these sentences. This belongs to the reading one. Okay. See the first question. Smart hated doing her course because. So, why Smart hated doing her course? Because, first option A, she did not like the mess and noise birds made. Option B, none of her friends had to do any. Option C, she had to get up early to do them. So which one is the correct one? Option C is the right one because she had to get up early to do them. She is not ready for this. That's why Smart hated doing her course. Okay. Now come to second one. Smart's course did not involve option A, filling the seed bowl. Option B, taking the trash out. Option C, washing the dog's paws. No, she will fill the seed bowl. This belongs to Smart's course. And washing the dog's paws also belongs to Smart's course. But B bit, taking the trash out is not her work. So B bit is the correct answer. Third one. The funny smell in Smart's room was from her pet Gulo who had not been bathed. B, the trash that she had to take out. C, the brown husk left behind in the seed bowl. Which one is the funny smell in Smart's room? Option A, her pet Gulo who had not been bathed. Fourth one. Birds stopped coming to Smart's balcony because option A, Gulo would chase them away. Option B, Smart had stopped filling up their seed and water bowls. Option C, a snake had taken up residence in the creeper that went up to the roof. Which one is the correct one? Option B, Smart had stopped filling up their seed and water bowls. This is the correct one. Now fifth question. Dash gave Gulo a much needed bath. Who gave Gulo a much needed bath? Option A, Smart's mother? No. Option C, Smart? No. Option B, Smart's father? Yes. Smart's father gave Gulo a much needed bath. So option B is the correct one. Next one, listening. Listen to the poem being read out and answer the questions that follow. We do this later. Now, speaking skills. Read the conversation between Smart and her mother. This is the conversation between Smart and her mother. This whole conversation. Okay. Work in pairs and role play their conversation. Repeat the dialogues to bring out the mood as per the instructions. Okay. Here there are different moods of mother and Smart. So we have to repeat the conversation depending upon their mood. Okay. See. Mother. First softly, then angrily. Mother is talking first softly, next angrily. See. Smart. Smart. Please wake up. The sun had already risen in the sky. Now, Smart. She is replying angrily and lazily. Mother, please let me sleep for some more time. Okay. Then now, Mother, impatiently and angrily. Sleep some more time. It's already 7:30. Now, Smart, tiredly and confusedly. Isn't it Sunday today? It's a holiday. Mother, softly and impatiently. Yes, it is a holiday for you, but not for your pets. The birds are hungry and the dog needs to be taken for a walk. Ismat sadly. Oh, how can I forget my friends? Happily, here I come. Okay, in this way, we should repeat the conversation depending upon their mood. Okay, next one, see the baby. Work in groups of 5. Look at the pictures of how a fire breaks out in a house. See here. Here the candle was lighted, and here the firing started. And see here the fire spreaded over the room. So look at the pictures of how a fire breaks out in a house. Each of the first 4 members must take turn to speak about the pictures. As we are not there in the school at present, you discuss with your family members or friends. Okay, children, do this conversation. And then the 5th member should talk about what causes fire accidents and how to prevent them. So how fire accident causes and what are the preventions to prevent the fire accidents, we have to discuss. So you discuss with your family members and friends. Now see this one, life skills activity. Work in groups of 4. Look at the pictures. They have given 2 pictures here. Choose any one of them. You can choose any one of them, one of these 2 pictures, and discuss the following questions. Is it a real place or an imaginary one? Whatever the picture you select, you have to discuss the following questions. Do you think that this is a real place or an imaginary place? First, note down all that you can observe in picture in the correct columns in the table given below. Here the picture seems real because what are the pictures you have seen real and what are the pictures that you seen unreal? Why? Reason you have to note down here. Okay, you do it by yourself. Okay children, once go through all the enrichment activity on. Okay, bye children, thank you.